Hello guys. Parev, Bondai, good morning, Huyamor, Sanbonani, Parev, Namaste, Ni hao, Hola. Anyway, we have. Oh, I'm just thinking. Anyway, guys, we have an HP. Hope you can see. It's not turning on at all. This machine is dead. And remember, there's more to learn in this video, okay? It's not about repairing that you will get through my videos, and I'm telling you, you'll be able to repair any machine with this kind of knowledge and information. Let's go to it, guys. Let's go ahead. Let's try to repair this machine. Anyway, it's been a long time. I haven't done any videos, but I promise I'll continue to do more and more videos until you get tired. Let's go ahead. Let's go into it. All right, guys, here we are. So what we do now, we have to assemble the entire thing. I mean, we have to open the entire thing. Okay, have to remove the keyboard. Seems like it was liquid damaged. I'm sure you can see it's liquid damaged. You remove everything. Okay, someone did open this machine. I can see some screws are missing. It means someone did open this machine. And one more thing, the screws were not in place, so that means someone did try to repair this machine. Let's hope they didn't mess this machine up. Let's hope it's something that we can do. If not, then it's fine. But if yes, if not, not. Remove this LVDS cable. Okay, it seems promising, but I don't know. We will see. See what I was saying? The screws are out. I think we have to remove the fan. I'm not sure. Okay, how do we pull this up? Okay guys, this is that. You know what we do when we are dealing with a dead machine. Let's go ahead. Step number one. Before step number one, you do a physical inspection. So let's go ahead. This is the physical inspection. Okay, this is bad. Under a physical inspection, you can see that this is bad. This is extremely bad. Here, someone breached the first MOSFET. Let's go ahead. Let's see. Turn on the lights from the microscope. Then after that, you go under the microscope. Okay guys, here we are. This is the MOSFET. I hope you can see this was breached. I don't know what was the reason why this was breached, but it was breached. Okay, do you think we need a schematic? Yeah, I think we do. To make life easier, let's try to look for a schematic. I'm not sure if we will be able to find a schematic or not. Just hold on. Alright guys, I hope you can see that under the physical inspection, things are really bad. So now what do we do? It's easy, don't panic. You open the schematic, have the schematic here. Let me zoom out. So what you do, you look for this section. This is a charger section. On the charger section, you zoom in. You will have two MOSFETs. This is the first and the second MOSFET. And then there will be a PQ chip, a charging chip, as always. And there will be a current sensor. You know the story. All right. Okay, after this, what you do, you look for PQ101 on the motherboard. Let's go back. Okay, what is this? This is PQ102. Let's go back to a schematic again. According to a schematic, PQ102 is the second MOSFET. All right, after the second MOSFET, you will have a current sensor, which is PR102. Let's look for those two. I think they're much more important than the first MOSFET, PQ102, PR102. So what you do, you check for a short. To check for a short is easy. Make sure your multimeter is on the continuity mode. And then one probe to ground. You touch the USB port or any ground. And then you check, you touch there. A short, what about the current sensor? No short, what about the other side? No short. No shorts. No shorts. Okay, there's no shorts. Hope you can see under the microscope. I was testing them like this. You touch there. I was getting no shorts. Even the gauge, there's no shorts on the gauge. There's no shorts anyway. So now, let's ask ourselves why the machine is not turning on. Because that laptop is dead. It's not working. It's not turning on. Let's do another physical inspection. Okay, we have 3.3 and a 5 volts. How do you check? How do you confirm which one is 3.3 and which one is 5 volts? This is PL303 and the other one is PL302. Let me show you under the microscope. I want you to be sure and be certain. Okay, let's go ahead. Those are coil. This one is PL303 and the other one is PL302. Okay, we will check for shorts, and this is the chip PU301, responsible for 3.3 and the 5 volts. Let's check which one is which. This is the schematic, right? You zoom out, and then I think we'll have to go up. I don't think. Okay, let's go down. I think it's down. 3.3 and 5 volts being generated by one chip. PU, I think it was PU303, but we'll see. There we go. You zoom in. Yes, I'm right. Okay, it's PU301. Okay, where's PL? Those two coils. The first one is PL303 and the other one is PL302. If I'm not mistaken, yes. 5 volts and the other one is 3 volts. Let's go ahead. Let's go back. Let's see. Let's check them. Both of them. One probe to ground. There's my meter. One probe to ground. I normally prefer the positive to ground. No short. What about the other point? No short. What about there? No short. What about here? No short. What about here? No short. What about here? Okay, guys, this machine is gonna be fixed. Nothing serious. Nothing. All right, guys, anyway, let's use a technique. So now what we have to do here, it's easy. So from this point, I have a better plan. Let's check for shorts. I think there is a short. Because remember, the pet blew up, right? So when it blew up, the pets came up. Okay, no short to ground. Check again, no short to ground. No short to ground. Right. Now let's flip the board around. I want to make sure that there is a continuity from this point to here. Okay, meaning from here it goes on the other side of the board. Okay, that seems nice. So now PQ101, let's check PQ101. It should be how do you call this? Is it a P or N? Let's go ahead. Well, here on the 3 volts and 5 volts, this means I have to, okay, here it is. Zoom in, PQ101. PQ101, it's P channel MOSFET. Let's look for a P channel MOSFET. All right, guys, I'm done. But now there's something missing. Let's check the schematic. Okay. I can see a diode somewhere. PD102. Let's look for PD102. Serious, there's a missing diode there. PD102. I wanna see what exactly PD102 does. Okay, let's zoom out. Oh, just for a pet. Anyway, never mind about PD102. The machine will charge without PD102, but I'm gonna put it back there before you start making so much of wara. Let's go ahead, guys. Anyway, let's check for shorts one more time. I wanna be sure and certain that there is no short. No short to the other side. No short to the port there. The gate. Okay, this is number 1. Let's check that. Thing is shorting. Report the other side. I think it's shorting. Yeah, let me check all the parts. So we need this connector. Connect this there. What else? Now we need a power button. Let me look for a power button. Let's go ahead. Okay, here we are. Okay, we have the power button, we have everything. What about the fan? Connect the fan. have the fan. I have the fan. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, zaka, zaka, zaka. Yeah, yeah. Zaka, zaka, yeah, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. It's time for Africa. Dun, 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 dun. Zanka, zanka, za, yeah, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. It's time for Africa. Hey, I'm such a bad singer, guys. Okay, hold on. Anyway, let's go ahead. Let's see. Hold on. Let's go ahead. This is bad because there's no light. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to take some measurements. The voltages. You need the multimeter. Turn it into voltage mode. Check for 20 volts or 19 volts. Okay, this is bad. No voltages. Let's check the charger. The charger is playing games with us. 17, 18, 17, 18. We need to have something stable. No ways this charger is faulty. Hope you can see. It's playing games with us. Is it the charger or? Case 19 is sharp, which means we have to rotate the motherboard. Let me remove the fan for now. We don't need a fan. Let's check one more time. Okay, no lights again. You can see there's no lights. Let's check for voltages. One probe to ground as always. Okay, we have 0 volt. I don't understand this. Let's use a DC bench power supply. Hold on. We will use this to test. I will connect my DC bench power supply here and then check for some volts. Okay, here we go. Turn on the DC bench power supply. Let's check everything. It's set to 7 volts. We have to change it to 19 volts. Okay, it's sharp. It's 19 volts now. Ground to ground. You know the story. Ground to ground. Positive to positive. Then let's take this thing away. Now we have to test. We have to make sure. Okay, hold on. Now let's test. Turn it on. Take your multimeter. One probe there, and then let's check there. 19.3. Yes, 19.3. Even the DC bench power supply says 19.3. Now let's see if something will burn or not. Oh yeah, we now have a light. It's blinking. Hope you can see. The light is blinking. Cha 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 cha. So hope you can see the light. You can see the light. Even here on the power button, the light is blinking. Okay, this is bad. Then the light is blinking on the power button. Let's find a working charger. Hold on. I have a charger here with me. Let's see. 19.5. Connect the charger there. Okay, it's blinked and then stopped. Okay, this is fine. Seems to be fine. You know what? Let's do this. This seems to be fine. It's much more better now as it was. Let's connect the fan. I want to check the behavior. I want to see what exactly the machine does. We have the fan. Let's watch it for a fan spin. Okay, it's blinking. Hope you can see. And then it stopped. Let's press the power button. The fan is spinning and then the fan stopped. Let me turn the machine off. Hope you can see the lights there on the power button. The machine is off. Now let me turn it on. Let me turn it off. All right. Remove the power. Remove the CMOS battery. Put back the RAM. Okay, let's try to reset the whole machine. It's gonna take long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. Let me come with a screen. Turn that thing off. I'm gonna show you the display later. For now, let me try to connect the display on my own. Okay, this is bad. An LVDS cable has been bent. I believe this is the 19 volts. Okay, anyway, this is not good at all. I'm gonna put it back, but this is not good. Okay, after putting this, machine is not turning on. There is no lights, nothing. Let me try. Okay, we have a light blinking there. Machine is no longer turning on. We got a light, but no display. Okay, let's remove this. Let's connect that. Okay, now I see where the problem is coming from. Alright, okay. Let me show you under the microscope. We have multiple issues here. Microscope. This was bent right there. I believe this is the 19 volts. I believe this is the 19 volts. Okay guys, the owner needs to buy an LVDS cable. This is not good at all. This is bad. This is extremely bad. LVDS cable has been bent and the machine is won't turn on. Okay, I believe when this is connected, it creates a short. Aibo, no ways. This was bent even inside. See the mark. Oh yeah guys, I'm right. This was bent. Okay, this was bent, terrible. You can even see here plastic was bent as well. Alright, so what I did was I have connected the cable, my microscope cable, to HDMI. So now let's see if we will have a display on this machine. If yes, we can go ahead. If yes, if there is a display, it means 100% working. I want to conclude, and before people they start to doubt my work, my job, so we have to ta-da! Flashing, fan spinning. Let's check HDMI. Nothing. Aibo. Okay, let's wait for it. Should be something, some sort of HP sign or something, or ta-da! The CMOS checksum is invalid and reboot. Okay, anyway, this is it. Ta-da! I'm happy. Ta-da! I'm happy. Ta-da! 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 Bye-bye, guys.